Alright, hi everyone, Dhanush here. Welcome back to my channel, guys. So, this is the day 1 AMRAP home workout series. If you don't know what is AMRAP, just check out my previous video. I have explained about AMRAP. So, firstly, let's do our warm up first. Warm up is really the most important thing to do before starting off your workout. Never ever skip your warm up, guys. It's the most important thing to do. I know you will be getting bored doing warm ups, but all it takes is a minute. So please consider your warm up as most important thing and perform it while starting your workout. Which has see our warm up is done within less than a minute. So starting off with our workout, our first variation here is a jumping jack. I'm sure most of you are aware of jumping jacks, how to perform it. So I'm starting off with it just to make sure all my muscles in the body are moving properly and then go to some advanced variations. As it is an AMRAP workout, there is nothing called sets and repetitions, just do as many as repetitions you can and repeat as many as sets you can. So your second variation is high touches. If you are a beginner, start with 15 to 20 rep range. If you are an intermediate, you can go 25 to 35. If you are an advanced, go for 50 reps. It all depending on your individual endurance levels. If you can see, in today's workout, there will be no need of any equipment. All you need to do is put on your shoes, find an open place where you can fit in and start doing your variations. There are no excuses, guys. You gotta build your immunity, you gotta do your exercises. Move your body, exercise it well. Movement is medicine. So third variation here is side crunches. Do as many reps and as many sets as possible. And following with some burpees. If you are an advanced guy, you can do around 10 to 15 burpees. If not, start with 5 to 6 burpees at least. I know burpees are hard to do, but it is the most challenging and most advanced movement which really helps in taking your heart rate high and burning those calories. We'll be doing 6 variations of exercises each day and the reps and sets are all up to you. So fourth variation here is push-ups. If you are a beginner and you are unaware of doing push-ups, start with some knee push-ups. If you are an intermediate guy, you can easily hit 15 to 20 push-ups. If you are an advanced and if you have some weight around you, place your weight on your back and perform push-ups as many as possible. I am now 97 kilos, not so best of my shape in my life. So just performing 20 to 25 push-ups as possible. So the fifth variation here is mountain climbers. If you see my form, I am doing mountain climbers with a hop jump. Firstly, I am squeezing my lower abs and then my side crunches and doing a jump. It is an advanced variation and really takes your heart rate high and helps in burning those calories. If you are not comfortable doing this variation, just perform normal mountain climbers as your comfortable with and then keep practicing it. I am sure within 3 to 4 days of practice, you will be achieving this type of mountain climbers easily 10 to 15 reps. Try as many reps as possible, 4, 7, 10, it doesn't matter, but keep starting, guys. So the final variation here is squat, lunge to sumo. This is an advanced variation where I am combining all the 3 movements in one. Squat, do a lunge with both the legs and turn and do a sumo squat. I know this is a little hard movement to do. If you are an advanced or intermediate, you can easily perform. But if you are a beginner and you are unable to perform it, try doing squats first and then lunges and then go to sumo squat. All you need is a little practice of 5 to 7 days and you will be easily doing it really well. So this is it for today, guys. AMRAP as many rounds reps as possible, no limitations. Signing off, see you tomorrow. Goodbye.